We're back for our second helping of Make It Monday. We got our DIY experts from Swell Made Design Studio, Christina Taylor and Kara Bruner. We're talking wooden bead garland. Now, I think when I think of garland, at least, I think, you know, Christmas time, put garland on the tree, garland around the banisters and stuff like that. But this is a little bit different. Kind of walk us through this project, what we're starting with, and where we would display maybe this garland in our house.
Sure.
Or our
so
homes.
Wood bead garland, I think, is kind of a hot trend right now. We try to do projects that are on trend, but that will also translate to a lot of different styles.
Okay.
Eclectic, farmhouse, boho, whatever you love, this can translate to your home.
Okay.
So this is really nothing more than stringing beads on elastic
Perfect.
or twine. So
The easier the better for me. I know this is our first time working
it.
together, but you'll soon find out.
So
Putting beads on string is my kind of DIY. So.
while we chat, Christina is going to finish this one that we've gotten started over here.
Okay.
And then we will add a tassel for the end of it.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
So, and she's just got a whole bunch of different wooden blocks over there. Some different, like you said earlier, geometric shapes. You have the circles, you have the trapezoids, or whatever they are. But they're very unique and they look very nice.
And you can find these at any craft store or Amazon. The Amazon ones kind of come in bulk, so this might be a fun one to do with a friend.
Oh, perfect. Okay. So we have the books and some yarn already started wrapping around here. I know this is my job.
Yes, and I'll do it with you. So these tassels are super easy to do on your own. We since we have a lot of books at home, this is an easy thing to just get started. Just finish your wrapping.
And all we simply do is just wrap the yarn around the book here.
That's as easy as it gets. And you can make your tassel as bulky or sparse as you like. You can see we've got some examples on the table of some things that we've done that are both chunky.
Like here?
Is
that a bulky tassel or is that a sparse tassel?
Yeah, that's what we call a bulky tassel.
I'm sure there's some things I can say that aren't appropriate for TV right now, but there you go. Okay.
So once you've wrapped your tassel, you're going to slide it off of your book.
Okay.
Okay, holding it at the top.
All right.
Okay, then you're going to take a piece of yarn and slide it through
Uh-oh.
your loop.
That's fine?
It doesn't matter. We'll just snip it off at the end.
Yep.
Okay.
And then knot it.
Is there any specific type of knot I should be going for?
Just a double knot.
Just a
So
double
I'm not worried about my Boy Scout knot tying skills?
No, not this time.
All right.
Okay, then I like to snip it next.
Oh, so you're just snipping it at the bottom. Okay,
Yes,
I
we're
see
just
how this
snipping
is
it at
going
the
to work
bottom,
now.
and it's going to come together here in a hurry.
How are you so fast at tying those knots?
We've had a lot of experience, Bill.
Made a lot of tassels.
I'm really
lot of these
concentrating
guys.
here. Okay, I'm getting my knot tied.
You got it.
Let's see here. There we go. Okay, and then just snip the bottom.
Snip the
Yep.
bottom.
So we're going to snip the bottom part here.
There you go. Careful.
Okay.
There you go.
And then to create the little bulb at the top, we're going to gather it together.
There's more knot tying? My
Just
goodness.
once more. Maybe lay it down. That might be easier.
Well, you guys know the tricks there to lay it down.
You
I'm trying
know
not
it.
to tie it while it's up there. Where did you guys come up with this design from? Is this something that that you scouted out? You kind of just found it and then developed it on your own, or?
No, we were shopping one day in the West Bottoms and we saw these cute little garlands hanging on all sorts of drawers and knobs on old furniture down there, and we were like, that's so cute. We can figure out how to make that. So
I wonder if you can even use it like as a curtain tie back or something like that too. It almost kind of reminds it reminds me of. We have a couple that kind of look like that down in our basement, and you can use that.
You can do anything with it. It just adds a little something extra to your room anywhere.
Put it in a bowl on a mantle, draped is really pretty as well.
Okay, so you have our tassel made in here. So how do we finish it all up here?
You just tie a knot at the end.
We're going to tie your tassel around the end of this.
You guys tie so many
here.
knots. Can I just use
a lot of
hot
knots,
glue
a
or
lot of
something?
tassels.
Let's see.
Yep.
There we go. Does that look all right?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
And that's all there is to it. And then, of course, you guys gave us some great examples of how to use these around the house in just a bowl or over a mantle, or so what else? What else do you guys do, or what other kind of fun projects do you guys have that maybe we can revisit here sometime soon?
Sure. We've done modern hoop wreaths. That's kind of how we kicked off our business with a workshop. So we do quarterly workshops. We also do private parties.
Oh, cool.
And then we are growing our online shop this year as well. So that's been really exciting for us.
A lot of the stuff you see, we also sell in our shop.
Oh, cool. Well, it's been a lot of fun having you guys here on our first show back for 2019. I know it's your first time here on Better Kansas City. We sure do appreciate it. Thank you very much, Christina and Kara.